West Coast. You know it's baby, nigga.
Oh Lord, Jesse made another one.
She wanna fuck with me, but I don't got the time. I just hopped off a private plane and went and hopped on 85. Go call my chauffeur, bitch, cause I don't like to drive. Me and Suburbans back to back, and we gon' fill them up with vibes. Fill them with vibes, get in and ride. And no, a nigga not blind, but I keep the stick and I'm fine. I met a nigga in line, just fucking with me, say he did and he lied. We got so many vibes stuffed in the car, we can fuck them hoes 6 at a time. I made them hoes say that nigga so fine. He got the dick you can feel in your spine. Yeah, that's what they say about baby. You know that them bitches don't play about baby. Baby should go run for president. Look what God did, took her time with me. Got a red and white hoe like a peppermint. Put the hotel, take the vibes in. She gon' fuck me and fuck with my brethren. My brother them, having 3 hoes in the king side. I ain't finished yet, get another bitch. Got a riding dick and screaming hee haw. You made me proud, girl, you a cowgirl. Did a handstand, I'm like, wow, girl. Got me fucking her upside down. Yeah, we going dumb, say she wanna come. I'm looking like when, she looking like now. Some more came in, say they wanted 2. I tapped my brother, bitch, I'm out, I know.